I would like to appreciate the management of Horizon Bank, and these are the managers who are standing with me. I have come to tour this bank and visit it. It is really a very interesting bank. It is very promising. It is using the modern system of banking, and I believe it is very reliable. So they are just adding to the efforts of the other banks to contribute to boosting the economy of our country. I would also want to use this opportunity to appeal to the banks all over the country, so that they help us, the government, really, to combat the issue of the high prices in the market. Because yes, we unction money through the banks, through forexes and so on, but we don't know how they are managing this. And once it is in the market, this hard currency, this dollar, goes so high, and our pound comes down. This is what has contributed also to the sufferings of our people. And we really have to improve the standard of living of our people. So I'm asking for the banks, for the forexes and so on, to cooperate with us. I'm representing the economic cluster here, and so that once there is this unctioning by the central bank, they manage it, because this is their country, and this is a national bank in terms of the people, the founders and so on. So that our market really is manageable and can be within the demand of our people.